Ladies and gentlemen, it's finally back. The legend, the thrill, the Honda S2000 Reborn for 2025. Honda fans have been waiting, and this year, their patience is rewarded with an absolute masterpiece that combines the iconic S2000 spirit with a fresh, futuristic edge. Let's start under the hood. Honda's engineering team didn't hold back. The 2025's S2000 comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, delivering around 320 horsepower. It's paired with a high-precision manual gearbox that takes us right back to the days of pure, driver-focused performance. And let me tell you, every shift feels like an invitation to push this car to its limits. Honda's design team has kept that sleek, low-profile look we all remember, but it's been updated with bold lines, sharper angles, and an aggressive stance that commands attention on the road. And those LED headlights, paired with sculpted air intakes, make it clear this S2000 isn't here to play. Now, take a look inside. The interior has gone full high-tech with a driver-focused cockpit, digital displays, and premium materials that give it a luxurious feel while keeping things sporty. It's the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Let us know if you think the new S2000 lives up to the legend. Your support keeps us bringing you the best in car reviews. Back on the road, you can feel Honda's focus on balance and handling. The suspension and weight distribution make this car feel like an extension of you. Every corner is smooth. Every straight line begs for speed. It's not just a car. It's a full experience that pays homage to the original while bringing something completely new. So, what do you think? Has Honda delivered this S2000 of our dreams? Let us know, and stay tuned for more on the world's most exciting cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.